Hey everyone, we're Sharon and Joe. For the past 2 years, we've been living full-time in our RV, exploring all across the United States and even a little beyond. But now it's time to slow things down a bit and earn some extra spending money. Just finished our first week working as gate guards, and today we're excited to show you what a typical day on the job looks like, from early mornings to late nights and everything in between. Come along and see what life as a gate guard really is about.
So it's twilight here at our guard location, and this is going to be the start of our 24 hours gate guarding. Car coming, I'm going to show how I check them in. It might be a water truck, we're not sure yet. So we're going to do create new visit. And then you enter all the information here. Save.
There you go.
Simple process. I think this is a water truck. We're not going to have to check them in.
Yep.
Being check is complete, and we just had one water truck come by, which we don't have to check in. We just kind of waved to him. Yeah, that's pretty much all we do all night is hang out in the canopy and check people
Joe
in and out.
plays lots of video games.
And I play lots of video games.
And of course, I'll be going to bed shortly because I have to be up early for my shift.
Yeah, I work the night shift, and I go in and wake her up around 6:30. She takes her shower and she starts her day, and I go to sleep.
It's time for me to go to sleep.
Love you. And now the night shift begins. So it's just about 6 a.m. here. I'm almost at the end of my shift. I'm going to go in and wake Sharon up and get her ready for the day.
Shift change.
She's starting the day shift. Have fun, honey. My partner in crime.
Wish me luck. I'm extra tired today. Normally we fast in the morning, and I'm not fasting today because I needed a coffee. So, see how this day goes. I truly picked a crazy day to show you guys what gate guarding is all about, because today has been extremely busy and dusty. Look at my tablet. It's got a layer of, I keep dusting it off, but it's just got so much dust on it because it's pretty windy and there's so many trucks just constantly going by. So sorry, you probably can't hear me too good because of the air conditioner, but I'm so hot and I had to come inside for a little bit. But this is what we normally do. So Joe just woke up and he's outside. He's doing things on the computer and he's watching for the trucks to come by. And it actually did slow down, so that's good. So he could just have time to do what he needs to do. And I'm gonna be in here cleaning and just, you know, getting our house cleaned because it gets really dusty in here really fast. And there's also a lot of bugs. I'm constantly sweeping them out. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. And then we'll make some dinner and then we're gonna maybe do a craft, which is kind of how we keep our nights going. So stay tuned.
Get ready for the 10-second tidy. Ready, set, go!
So, day in the life of a full-time RVer here working. We're putting together our burritos for burrito day, and I have all my ingredients ready to go. I'm going to put these together. Check it out. Got my shredded beef, shredded chicken, beans, rice. Got my HEB Texas salsa, Mexican cheese, sour cream, and I love this Tabasco sauce on the side. We bought this when we were at the Tabasco factory. Really good stuff. So stick around, we're going to put these together. It's going to be delicious.
You'll have to wait until next year. Cheesy can to fix what was left to us. But
I'm sorry, I'm slacking at keeping you updated on our 24 hours of gate guarding. At the end of my shift, after we eat dinner, we always do something together. So tonight we made a craft. We're actually still making it. And it's going to be
It's an Easter craft.
It's an Easter craft. It's the resurrection cave and the stone, and so we're just making a little craft. And actually this was a faster craft than I thought, so I guess we have time just to chill and watch TV. But we always do something together at this time because we're just so used to doing so many amazing fun things together And this has been one of my hardest things, is not doing anything fun. So I love what we're doing, and if you want to see a video of all the things we did in all the days, let me know. Joe's actually participating.
Sometimes I can be crafty.
Do you like the craft?
I love the craft. I love crafting with my wifey.
Yeah, right. He's full of it. He just does it to make me happy. Do you like it at all?
I really do like it. So, time to change shifts again. I'm going on the night shift once more.
Yep, so we hope you enjoyed our 24 hours of gate guarding. This was definitely an unusual day for us, but at least you'll get an idea of what a day in the life of a gate guarder is.
Hope you learned a little bit about it, and hope to see you out here on one of the gates.
Thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in gate guarding, be sure to check out our last video where we walk you through the steps of how to get started. We'd love for you to follow along on our journey, so don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on the next one.